Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times before, so that is where that green line there is coming from. And I don't think I've done it since I put that green line into place, but absolutely beautiful example on the power of charts. Price pulled back there right to that green line, and I promise I've not moved it. If you don't believe me, I'm not offended at all. All you got to do is go back in the video archives and look at the last time I did this video. And point being, charts are definitely a very useful tool. Are they perfect? No, nothing is perfect in the world of trading. But as a tool that you should have in your tool belt as a trader, yeah, absolutely. So going forward, really the main overall level to keep an eye on is that there's no doubt about it. The bulls have really started to, kind of push upwards. But how do you actually define push, right? It's one thing for me to just say the soundbite of, hey, the bulls are pushing upwards. But what does that really mean? Well, that's the cool thing about charts is they allow you to actually quantify terms. So in my mind, push is relative to this trend line here. And that just kind of shows the overall push in the upwards direction. Now, most people would call it an uptrend, so you can look at it that. But here is the bullish push that's been into play, and that is where all the price has been, drifting in the upwards direction. So moral of the story there is I get it, the price did pull back a little bit from these highs, but I mean, technically speaking, it could come down here, then go all the way up there, then come all the way back down there, and go all the way back up there. But even with all that price action, when you stop and look at where the lows are, as long as these lows keep getting higher and higher, that is the name of the game. So that's where that, trend line in my mind really does a good job of just kind of illustrating how the price has been pushing itself higher and higher. As far as where areas of resistance and sellers are at, very, very well defined at that point, and that's right up there at $2.90. Actually, out of curiosity, has this rejected the price down any other times? I'm not sure. Let's take, yep, there it is right there. Oh, wow, it makes that much more sense. So yeah, 290 has quite the track record then, more so than I realized. I mean, even in just the very near term, both there and there, it's become quite apparent. But then you go back here and you can see 290 rejected, 290 rejected, 290 rejected, 290 rejected. So you get the idea. I'm not saying 290 can't be broken. I'm just saying apparently according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight above that level. And then not only that, but then stay up above it. But all in all, nice push to the upwards direction. And let's see if the bulls can keep on pushing or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.